Good evening, friends, my dear brothers and sisters. It's so good to see each one of you come early and fill up the seats well before time, and we are glad to start on time. Um, it's a great evening. For me, I'm excited. I'm reminded of my childhood. I'm reminded of the day we used to celebrate Children's Day. I like to wear Indian clothes, but when we asked children earlier yesterday and today what they would like to wear this time, they said we would like to wear Western clothes. So we said, okay, here we are in Western clothes. So today's Children's Day. It's their day, all right? It's your day, dear friends. And we're going to have an evening filled with songs, dances, instrumental music performances. It's a mix of entertainment and education. A lot has happened in the recent past, in the past few weeks, and I'm going to just briefly and swiftly cover them. The last we met here on Gandhi Jayanti Day on the 2nd of October, and on that day, our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, launched a campaign which was amazing, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. How many of us have participated in this mission, the Swachh Bharat mission in any way? Can you raise your hands? Great, wonderful. Okay, hands down, thank you for your response. And how many of us have taken the Swachhata Shapath, the Clean India pledge? All right, quite a few hands. Okay, but I also see many hands are not lifted up, and I assume you've not done that. So shall we do that today? Okay, today we're just about few days away, just a few days away from the actual Children's Day, when our Prime Minister will announce the Bal Swachhata campaign, the year ahead. And I know we're 5 days early, but it's never too late and never too early. And let's do that today, shall we? Shall we make that pledge together? We're going to have children and adults who were children once upon a time come and join us on stage to discuss issues that are very pertinent for our next generation. So that was 2nd of October. On the 31st of October, we celebrated another great hero, national hero's 139th birth anniversary, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and that day has been instituted as the National Unity Day, Rashtriya Ekta Divas. And we have a campaign that we launched on the Come India Sing Jan Gan Man, the one song that unites India. You know, some may say Bollywood is the most popular music, but no. There are parts of India that even, people don't understand Hindi or Bollywood music. But the one song that each and every citizen of India, in every part of India, will understand and will unite their hearts with is our national anthem. And here I would like to take a few seconds more, maybe 2 minutes, to talk about the fact that our national anthem is an institution, it's a national institution. Article 51A of the Constitution talks about our fundamental duties, and the very first clause talks about our duty to honor our national emblems and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. The national anthem has got 4 colors. It's got a code. It's got 4 colors, it's got a particular dimension, ratio, and we need to honor it. The national anthem also has got a code. It's to be sung, it's very simple, 2 points. It's to be sung in around 52 seconds, and is to be sung to a martial tune. Now, if you and I go to internet and Google or YouTube and type out Jan Gan Man, I've done the search, and 99% of the results are not our national anthem. Shocking news, okay? It's 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, sung in a rag. It doesn't follow the code. So I know you stood twice during the film and sung the national anthem. Great, wonderful. I didn't mean to do that, but and we'll sing it once again. But can we get that right? Can we pass the word around? Can we share this with our families? Can we share it with our parents who are not here? Can we share it with the community at large? And this is the one song. When we talk about Rashtriya Ekta Divas, well, for me, each and every one of the 365 days is an opportunity for us to sing the national anthem. And the एक खूबी है हमारे देश का, and this is अनेकता में एकता, the unity and diversity. And that's what I love. I enjoy this part of being a citizen of India, that we are so diverse. Right here, sitting here, there are people from the north of India. I won't ask for a show of hands, but I'm sure north of India, south India, east India, west India, urban and rural. I love this part, the rural parts of India, sitting here right now in this hall, among 300 plus. And of course, we await the 14th of November, Chacha Nehru's birthday, the 125th. It's a great celebration coming up. Something that it's a mystery to me as I have grown up. What is it, that chemistry? What is it in Chacha Nehru that bonded him with children? And I think the secret of that will unravel as we discuss. But there's one date I'd like to throw to you, my dear friends, and we quite often forget. And that's the 12th of November, 2 days earlier. On the 12th of November 1948, it was a day when Mahatma Gandhi, for the first time and for the last time in his life, walked into the studios of All India Radio to broadcast a message to the aching and paining refugees that were stationed in Kurukshetra, who had gone through the horrors of partition just a few months back. And he addressed the nation, and he addressed this group of people through that radio broadcast. And that day, the 12th of November, is now instituted as the National Broadcasting Day. I'm a great fan of All India Radio. I've been listening to All India Radio from the age of 7, if not earlier. All India Radio reaches out to 96% of India. There's no other means of reaching out to the length and breadth of our country. Doordarshan reaches out to 92%. These are our national broadcasters, and I want to just acknowledge this on this day. It's an important week or fortnight, and quite often people forget the amazing service that Prasar Bharati and these two great organizations do for our nation. So come, join us in this nation-building project. Together we can contribute to our community and our nation. Let us begin by singing our national anthem, Jan Gan Man, with passion, pride, and precision, that is in around 52 seconds, thereby honoring and respecting our nation's institutions as laid out in the Constitution of India. Record a video of yourself singing a song of your choice, upload it onto YouTube, and enter the online contest entry form. You could win an opportunity to perform at our annual awards function at a large venue in the National Capital Region. You could also watch our videos on the Come India Sing page of Lorraine Music Academy or on the Lorraine Music Academy's channel on YouTube. Visit Come India Sing page on Facebook and like it. Spread the word and let us together build our nation. Jai Hind.